All right, our vocabulary. So we're going to determine the equation that represents the given situation. So it says Leah drew a square with a perimeter of 28 inches. How long is each side of the square that Leah drew? So we can notice that she drew a square. Okay. So she drew a square. It's not really a square. She drew a square. That's better. There we go. So she drew a square. The perimeter means the outside. The perimeter means the outside. She said the perimeter is 28 inches total. So each side, whatever the side is, if it's a square, that means all sides are going to be equal. You might see these little tick marks saying that those are equal sides. So this means if they all have the same amount of tick marks, that means it's going to be the same number on each side. So a square has 4 equal sides. So whatever one of the sides is, if I said that the side was 3, okay, I would multiply that by 4 sides. 3 times 4 would be 12. But in this case, we don't know how many there are. And we are going to take a look at, okay, well, each are a side. So if I have one side, I'm going to multiply it by 4. So what says 4 being multiplied by s? Well, here's 4 being multiplied by s, and that's going to equal the 28 total inches. We don't need to solve it. All we need to do is figure out which of these actually helps us represent it. So it is going to be this middle one, the pink one. And we'll do more practice with it. Great job.